So, hello guys. So, mag-unboxing ta. So, direct na mag-unboxing sa kwarto guys. Kay, may gamitin akong bana. So, we are on our tika 19, pizza 19 ta karon. So, where is the 19? So, 19 is here.